Welcome to an Asian recipes channel that promises to tantalize your taste buds and warm your heart. Prepare to indulge in the delightful flavors of mala chicken, a dish that beautifully blends the fiery spices with tender. This recipe is your ticket to creating a mouth-watering masterpiece. I am starting recipe. 1 tablespoon ginger, chopped 1 stalk spring onion, sliced. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 pinch white pepper marinate fan 20 minutes. 1 tablespoon salt. Cut dried chilies and diccard seeds set aside. Fry chicken until light golden brown. Now remove the chicken from oil. Now I'm using chili oil for enhanced flavor. Fry ginger garlic. Add dried chilies. Fry until fragrant. However, mala chicken recipe captures the essence of authentic Chinese cuisine with a perfect balance of heat and savory goodness. Add dried chilies, fry until fragrant, stir in chicken pieces, add soya souce, rice vinegar, spring onion, cook 5 minutes. And I'm very excited to share the mala chicken with my family. Serve this bold and aromatic mala chicken hot, and let each bite take you on a flavor-packed adventure. This is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of taste. Crispy, tasty mala chicken is ready to eat. It's a perfect classic dish. Mala chicken Chinese. Recipe is ready to eat, and you are forgetting something. Just like subscribe, click the bell icon. Thank you.